pink, honey?
Cool. It even has its own trash cans, green and yellow. It's so cool that Xander got something that huge, too. What? A nice crystal one. What a
How about that
trash.
trash truck, huh?
What a trash.
We have plenty of trash. That's not a problem.
What?
Kira can give you some paper for your trash.
Yeah, here.
Kira, who did that come from? That Lego set. Before Xander tears it all up.
Grandma and Grandpa.
Cool.
At the beginning.
Which one is it?
It's
Oh,
Olivia and Nicole. I don't have Nicole yet.
is it a camping set?
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, that's so neat.
With a camper and some roast chicken.
Roasted chicken?
Yeah.
Huh?
A bicycle. A surfboard. Collecting all that trash. I love it. 2 Olivia sets in the same day. Cool.
Xander, look at me. Xander. Look at mommy for just a second. Oh. You're never going to look at me again, are you? Forget mom.
I'll get this big paper. Xander, thank you. Aww. It's beautiful. Thank you. Look, I made that.
It's very, very nice, Xander.
I gave him an ornament from
Yeah, that's sweet.
I can get all
Right.
I think our Christmas tree is much better than anyone else's. I can't get that out.